Slider Window Installation in Glendale, Arizona, offers a seamless blend of style and functionality for both residential and commercial properties. Our professional window installers in Glendale ensure that each Slider Windows Glendale is perfectly fitted, providing optimal energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of sliding window designs available, homeowners and businesses can choose the perfect style to complement their architecture. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for Glendale residents looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our Glendale energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Double-pane windows in Glendale are a popular choice for their superior insulation properties, helping to lower utility bills and enhance indoor comfort. Custom window solutions in Glendale, Arizona cater to the unique needs of each client, offering personalized designs and materials. Whether you need custom Slider Windows Glendale for a new build or a renovation, our team provides expert guidance and high-quality products. From vinyl window frames to wood and aluminum options, we offer a wide range of window frame materials to suit any style and budget. Window replacement services in Glendale, AZ are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your property. Our Arizona window replacement experts provide comprehensive services, including the removal of old windows and the installation of new, energy-efficient models. With affordable window options in Glendale, AZ, upgrading your windows has never been more accessible. Double-pane windows in Glendale are an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 layers of glass with a sealed airspace in between, providing superior thermal performance. Noise reduction windows in Glendale are ideal for homes and businesses located in busy areas, offering a quieter indoor environment. Vinyl window frames in Glendale, Arizona are a popular choice for their durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. Our vinyl windows in Glendale, Arizona are available in a variety of styles and colors, making it easy to find the perfect match for your home or business. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring long-lasting performance. Window replacement experts in Glendale provide reliable and efficient services to address any window issues you may encounter. From broken glass to malfunctioning hardware, our Glendale window replacement services cover all aspects of window maintenance and replacement. Trust our window experts in Glendale, Arizona to restore your windows to their optimal condition. Residential window services in Glendale offer homeowners a comprehensive range of solutions, from installation to maintenance. Our Glendale residential windows are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your home, with options to suit every style and budget. Whether you need new windows or replacements, our team is here to help. Commercial window solutions in Glendale are tailored to meet the specific needs of businesses, providing durable and energy-efficient options. Our commercial Slider Windows Glendale are designed to withstand the demands of high-traffic areas while maintaining a professional appearance. From storefronts to office buildings, we offer a variety of window glass options to suit any commercial application.